students, welcome in today's video, and today we are going to look at the ways of expressing apology. Ways of expressing apology. Engeri ezenjawulo ezokulagamu obwetoowaze oba engeri y'okwetondamu. You know there are different ways of expressing your apology to someone whom you have wronged. Mulimu engeri za njawulo ezokulagamu engeri y'okwetonda kwayo gwoba onyiizizza. So today we are going to tackle out those different ways, engeri ezenjawulo, how you can apologize, or how you can express your politeness when apologizing. So leo tugenda kulaba engeri ezenjawulo, engeri y'okwetondamu koyo gwoba ozizzaako omusango. Are we together? Okay. Remember, here at Beni.8 we learn English and Luganda with ease. So tuyiga olulimi oluzungu n'oluganda mu bwangu. Okay, let's start. So number one, you can say, I apologize for example, I apologize for coming late. I apologize for coming late. Are we together? So I apologize for coming late. In Luganda is inze netonda. Apologizing okwetonda. So inze netonda kulwa okujja late. Inze netonda kulwa okujja late. Inze netonda kulwa obutakuwa mmere mu budde. Hope you are together on that. So I apologize for dash and dash. Inze netonda kulwa and the item you did. Inze netonda kulwa okujja late. Hope you are together. Number two, you can say, please accept my apologies for please accept my apologies for coming late. Please accept my apologies for the late delivery. Please accept my apologies for bambi kiriza, accepting okukkiriza. So bambi kiriza okwetonda kwange kulwa okujja late. Bambi kiriza okwetonda kwange kulwa okujja late. Hope you are together. Number three, you can say, I sincerely apologize for coming late. Inze netondera ddala. Sincerely apologize. Inze netondera ddala kulwa okujja late. You can say, I deeply regret it. Inze nejjusa ddala. Like you regret something. I deeply regret. Inze nejjusa ddala obutasobola kujja. So I deeply regret. Inze nejjusa ddala. I am sorry. So this is common, you know. But I am sorry. Inze nsonyiwa. I am sorry. Inze nsonyiwa. Someone also can say, my mistake, please. My mistake, please. Insobi yange bambi. Insobi yange bambi. My mistake, please. Okay. You can also say, that was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Omutawaana gwabadde gwange. That was my fault. Omutawaana gwabadde gwange. Yes. Okay. You can also say, I messed up. We messed up. They messed up. I messed up. Inze nabyonoonye. Inze nabyonoonye. Nabyonoonye obutajja. So inze nabyonoonye. I messed up. Okay. Also, some people say, I didn't mean to do this and this. I didn't mean to, or I didn't mean to do this and this. Inze sakitegeezezza kukikola. For example, I didn't mean to hurt you. Inze sakitegeezezza kulumya. So I didn't mean to, and the activity you did wrong. Inze sakitegeezezza kulumya. Inze sakitegeezezza butajja. I didn't mean not to come. Okay. I feel terrible. For instance, you've done something and you feel guilt inside you. So I feel terrible. Inze mpulira bubi. Like you are not happy about the activity you did. Inze mpulira bubi. I feel terrible. Inze mpulira bubi. Hope you are together. Okay, you can also say, I am truly sorry. I am truly sorry. Inze nsonyiwira ddala. I am truly sorry for doing this. Inze nsonyiwira ddala. Inze nsonyiwira ddala olw'obutajja. So I am truly sorry. Inze nsonyiwira ddala. Hope you are together. Okay. Also, you can say, sorry about that. sorry about that. Sorry about that. That happened to you. Sorry about that because this and this happened. So sorry about that. Nsonyiwa kulwekyo. About that kulwekyo. So nsonyiwa. Sorry. Nsonyiwa kulwekyo. Sorry about that. Nsonyiwa kulwekyo. You can also say, this is also common in England and other countries, European countries. Can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? That is a question, but you are asking in an apologetic way. Can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Osobola okufuna ekifo mu mutima gwo okunsonyiwa. Once again, can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? So heart is omutima. Mutima, heart, mutima. So your heart omutima gwo. Mumutima gwo, your heart. Mumutima gwo, your heart. So can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Osobola okufuna ekifo mu mutima gwo okunsonyiwa. Hope you are together on that. Can you find a place in your heart to forgive me? Also ofuna ekifo mu mutima gwo okunsonyiwa. Also some people say, please pardon me. For instance, you're in class. Or please pardon me. Bambi nziriramu. For example, you annoyed the girlfriend. So you text her, please pardon me. Bambi nziriramu. Bambi nziriramu. Please pardon me. Okay, so those were some of the ways to express apology. Engeri y'okwetondamu. Oba engeri y'okulagamu okwetondamuko. So these are so common and they are mostly used in day-to-day life. Zikozesebwa nnyo mu nnaku eza bulijjo. Okay, hope you've learned something and you enjoyed the video. You can share my videos and here you subscribe at Benny 2178. We learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, let's meet up in the next video.